Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Bitcoin update for 17th of August. And the new day is upon us right now. The updates are actually coming up pretty early today, and we have this rising wedge at the moment, and I want to actually tell you that this is a picture perfect rising wedge. Okay, so today is Wednesday. There could be a midweek reversal for Bitcoin to actually go back up to 25,000, and then probably by the weekends come down to $19,151. So be very, very, very careful. And this is the only thing that I want to point out in this update right now. So you do have this first touch right there, the second touch right here, the third touch right there, and the fourth touch right now. And now you can actually just make a little bit of a push to the upside, just a little bit up here to $24,796, and then you touch the level, and then you can actually see a very big drop if you start to lose the ascending wedge. Now keep in mind, it doesn't really mean that you cannot actually invalidate a rising wedge. You can still end up invalidating the rising wedge by crossing it, breaking it, and try to close above it, and then you can actually still continue to go to the upside, right? So it is a bearish pattern. Doesn't really mean that you can not invalidate a bearish pattern as well. So Bitcoin right now seems like it's in a major support right now here, and if the bounces are actually gonna happen, so you might actually see Bitcoin try to come up to this level, which is going to be $24,062, and it touched 24,062, maybe just a little bit of a wake up to 25k as I said before, and then from there that could be the end of those of that retracement to the upside, and then we start to see some bloody weekend. So I do think Wednesday, Thursday could be a little bit good for Bitcoin in general. And if you do talk about Bitcoin being good, then potentially altcoins can be good as well. And that's pretty much it for this update right now. I'm just gonna wait for this. You never know, you can break down today or whatever. A lot of things are losing support right now, so I do think sooner rather than later you're gonna have Bitcoin to break out of this ascending wedge. It's not ascending wedge, but it's actually a rising wedge, and then boom, drop to the downside as well. And that's it. I'm gonna see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.